So number one, your build out costs. As I'm sure you guys know, this is really one of the major line items. And a lot of people will spend so much time and so much energy trying to save money on their website design or, their menu development or whatever it is. And then when it comes to their construction fees, they just write a check and close their eyes. And that is really the big line item. That's the place where you're going to save the most money pending you do it correctly. And so what are some things you can do to save money on your contracting? One, negotiate a great lease, okay? If you can negotiate a great lease and have your landlord pay for a good portion or all of your contracting, that's amazing. Two, be aware of the material costs that you're using, okay? If you have certain kind of countertop, flooring, walls, all of these things are going to play a big role in how much money you invest in your build out. Now, I say all that to say that yes, sometimes cheap is expensive. You don't want to go so cheap with everything that your place doesn't look presentable, but it's to be aware that these are areas that you can save money. So get itemized bids from contractors so that you can compare and contrast, and then lastly, negotiate. Okay, understand that these prices with contractors are negotiable. And the more you have specific pricing, the better you're going to be at negotiating this pricing for the contractors.